Holy cow, that's hot. Whoa, it's getting hotter as, oh my gosh, that is so hot. It's so good, but it's so hot. Today we're gonna be making some spicy popcorn, and the flavor we're gonna be making is ghost pepper. This is a gold medal product. This is ghost pepper Flavacol. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our oil and our corn heated up in our kettle, and then we're gonna add this just like we would Flavacol. So this calls for 2 tablespoons because we're using 3 cups of corn. So let's get going. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn, 2 tablespoons of ghost pepper Flavacol. This stuff is potent. You can really smell that. Whoa. That stuff is really strong. All right, so we have 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil in here and 3 cups of corn, and we have 2 tablespoons of ghost pepper Flavacol. This stuff is nice and bright red, and we're gonna pop this just like we would any butter Flavacol that Gold Medal makes. Just a reminder, down in the description will be links to all the products we're using here today. Also down in the description is a link to the Popcorn Genius recipe book that you can download for free. So go ahead and check that out. The smell is just like regular Flavacol in a way. You can smell it's got a little bit of a bite to it though. It's pretty potent. Oh yeah, look at that nice red color going. It looks like ghost pepper. It's potent though, you don't want to get your face over the top of that. That is strong. Oh yeah, there we go. Still popping in there. Alright, we kill the heat. Wow, that stuff is strong. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that nice red color in there. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Let's grab a couple pieces here and check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, that's a little bit of a slow burn. Whoa. All right, I took about 4 or 5 pieces. That is spicy. Wow, that's really good. You can tell how much that is really the ghost pepper. That is really good. Let me try another little piece here. Oh yeah, it gives you that, it burns you like right on the back of the tongue. And it's like the consistency of our butter popcorn, but it's got that spice to it. That is really good. Holy cow, that's hot. Whoa, it's getting hotter as, oh my gosh, that is so hot. It's so good, but it's so hot. That is spicy. All right, so remember everybody, get out there, get yourself some ghost pepper Flavacol, and get out there and get popping.